Hey, welcome to the video here. Now, this happens to be a email autoresponder. Okay, this is an email autoresponder, and the VA, all of this was designed by the virtual assistant that I'm currently using. He came up with the name. This is an email autoresponder. Okay. Now, this person that you see right here, this is the one that is responsible. This is the VA, the virtual assistant for this site. He came highly recommended, and we are so grateful that he is a part of our team. He brings an awful lot to the table, and we're so glad to have Dammy as part of our team. Okay, so let's look at some of the changes that he has made to this particular site here. Now, what you see here, this is the ad copy that you see. Now, I want to make you aware of this situation. This right here, this is a banner ad. Okay, we have a ad network, a banner ad network, where it produces a code. Okay, and then we simply paste that code into sites, and this is what appears. All right. So this is the ad copy that he put together. He has done a really good job with this ad copy. Okay, so we're very thankful for that. Okay, now here's some of the tabs here at the top. Okay, we're going to look at the sign up tab. This is the information. This is how you sign up for it. Now remember, this particular site is currently in beta testing. Okay, it's in beta testing. Now, every Thursday, our team comes together for a team meeting. Okay, all of the VAs that are on board with Stevens Web Solutions, we come together every Thursday. And on Thursdays, we look at different works of people that are in the self-help business that teach people about positive mindsets and things to do and things not to do to be successful. We're currently studying The Richest Man in Babylon. Now, the next book that we will be studying is by a gentleman by the name of Dr. Dennis Kimbrough. Now, what makes him, the reason we are studying his work is this. Dr. Kimbrough was writing his own book about looking at the best practices of African Americans. How did they become successful? Okay, but what Dennis Kimbrough did not know was that Napoleon Hill had started one prior to his death. It was a continuation of Think and Grow Rich, a black choice. So he started to look at African Americans that were being successful. But before he was able to finish the book, he passed. He became late. And so Clements, William Clements Stone took over the foundation and began to do work with things. And he heard of Dr. Kimbrough's work. And so he approached Dr. Kimbrough asking him to finish the book that Napoleon Hill started, Think and Grow Rich, A Black Choice. And Dr. Kimbrough agreed to do that. And so we will be studying that particular work in the coming weeks. As soon as we finish The Richest Man in Babylon, then each team member will share their goals and their dreams and their aspirations. They're going to do a vision board, okay? And then when we complete the vision board for the entire team, we will then go into Think and Grow Rich, a Black Choice. Now, let me say this to you. It is extremely important that you work on your dreams, your goals, and your aspirations every day. Do not let a day pass without you doing that. Remember, success leaves footprints. Uh, uh, you must have a positive mental attitude. There's just nowhere around it. You must have a PMA. We're believing to live a good long life here, 120, 130 years of age in good health. I trust that you guys would do the same to live a good long life. And in the words of Les Brown, you got to be hungry. And that is so true. You do have to be hungry for success. Y'all take care, and we'll talk later.